So, let's have a look at the euro pairs. This is the daily chart, and the price is very bearish here. Let me check on the weekly also. The price has crossed under the first moving average and going towards the second moving average. Let's go. Let's check on the euro Aussie. The price has touched the SMA and is about to break it. Let's look at the daily. The price is very bearish to me. It has crossed the two moving averages and moving lower to the previous support level here at 1.67 ish. Okay, this is very very the euro on uh, the most pairs is very bearish, loony. It's moving sideways. Let's check on the euro Swiss. Also, it's very bearish under the two moving averages, except with the euro dollar is the prices over the moving averages and moving upwards. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. Let's just shrink it a little bit. This is the weekly chart. This is the year 2018, and the price has formed a very strong falling resistance level trend line here. The price is testing this level again. It's very crucial and decisive point. It's very important not to touch the pair at this point. I will never trade the pair at this level. I will avoid it completely because the possibilities is 100% 50-50, and we don't know yet whether the price is going to be strong enough to push through this line and go higher, or the line is going to be stronger and push it downwards. Let's have a look at the euro index. This is the euro index. Same, this is the year 2018. It seems like the euro dollar pair is very submissive to this index. This is the euro index. It has retested it's testing now the trend line here. This historical line probably is going to go break it and go higher or go lower. Let's check on the dollar index. This is the dollar index. Same situation. The price has since 2011, and the price is forming slowly but stable enough rising trend line for the dollar. This is weekly chart. We will see whether if the price is going to be strong enough to break this trend line, or the trend line is going to be much more concrete and push the price upwards and ban it from penetrating it. So keep in mind that the price is dancing around the EMA here, the blue line here, and it's slightly underneath it. So both the EMA and the trend line are strangling together the price between them. I'm expecting an explosion to one of the sides. Nobody knows which one is going to win. But the most interesting chart for me was the Aussie USD. I told you earlier about it that the price has it's very interesting, and it's for this is the weekly chart. It's forming a descending triangle here, or a falling wedge, and the price has finally broke this line and make a very strong bullish candle last week. This is the weekly chart. This is very look at the previous weeks how it was moving. Choppy, 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 chop. Very bin bars. Bin. It wasn't steady at all. This one finally, and there was a trend line here also. It's following the trend line above the two moving averages. If you would like to enter a trade for a long period of time, I would recommend this to myself. Okay, I'm not recommending this to anybody, but I would recommend myself to go long for this pair while the price is above two moving averages. A very huge triangle here, cross above it, a minor trend line. Here I would enter it with placing the stop loss at the 0.66 level. So if I am going to enter here, I'm going to go long. I'm going to choose this one and place the stop loss under the 0.66. Let's move fast to the FTSE. Okay, the FTSE seems to me to be the new S&P 500. This is April 2025, the depth of 2025 when the price dropped dramatically. They keep moving bullish, way stronger than the S&P 500 even. This is the S&P 500, 580 waves. I believe it has reached the top of the fifth wave and it's going in a correctional way now. Correctional wave. Whether it's going to be expanding diagonal three trend lines, whatever we are going to see the next few weeks, but I don't expect the S&P to be straightforward bullish. I believe it should take a nap now. This is me. I'm not advising you to do anything. This is my own. I'm just sharing with you my own thoughts. The DAX. Okay, let's move to the daily chart because it's much more convenient. DAX has broken under this trend line between those three dots. Retesting it. I believe it's a great chance for the DAX to go lower. The CAC around. Okay, let's check on the CAC around here. Okay, so this is a trend line. It's testing the trend line. Will it break it and go bearish? Will it go upwards? We still don't know. It's moving between the two moving averages. So it's a hard situation for the CAC around. Okay, the most interesting um, pair for me. If you recall, I have made several videos and shorts about this one, the Ethereum. Okay, let's check on it one quick time here. So I said that there was a bullish trend here between the year 2020 and 2021. Then it retraced dramatically to this failed double bottom pattern. It went up 50%, then it dropped dramatically to the 1000 level. Same is happening here. Let me shrink it as much as I can. Let's go to the weekly chart. The price now between 2025 and 20 and the beginning of 2026, 1 year, same as there, has touched the top here and retraced the same price action here. Failed double top, double bottom has been formed here. Failed double bottom. I expected to go to the 50%, but it didn't and started to fall directly to that trend line, which is going to be the third time to kiss it. So I'm expecting. Let me adjust this for one slightly upwards. Okay. So okay, that's it. So this is going to be. I'm expecting the price to move with this purple line to 100% projection with this purple line, dotted purple line. This line, okay, will have 100% projection with this line. From there, we're going to test this line. Probably the price is going to rebound and go upwards again. But this is my view for the Ethereum, and these are two shrinking lines forming a diagonal, probably rising wedge. It's not clear yet, but it seems to me like a rising wedge here. So go back to the previous video and check on that. And thank you very much.